Here I am with Shawn, trying to start a stupendous adventure. The weather looking really good, Shawn. Should be no problem today.
So as you can see, we are here at the Minnesota 2010 Blizzard of the Year.
What they call Gargantuan Snowfest. Good thing I bought a new four-wheel drive truck just for this occasion.
That and he got in a car accident last week. Let's hope we don't get in one today.
We're hoping it's gonna be a good day this Saturday.
Well, we were going to be preparing for the concert tonight, but instead me and Pastor Paul are going to have to find something more productive to do, like...
Ready for some stupendous adventures!
He went nowhere. Where'd he go? Nowhere.
Here we are at our neighbor's house, Joel, and he's gonna be doing a little snow blowing after he finishes here. So I know he'll come to our yard too.
Absolutely.
Oh! Oh! This is a special part of the adventure where I get lunch by buying a pizza.
Shawn, being a musician, I know you want to pick out the ultimate worship music card. What do you have here?
Something very tasteful and wise, and one of my favorite songs. It always warms my heart every time I hear it. Actually, I'm more partial to hearing about what Will Ferrell as Elf has to say.
We elves try to stick to the four main food groups: candy, candy cane, candy corns, syrup.
They forgot pizza.
Snow is pretty tall out here, to say the least.
Oh, what a gorgeous major scene. Oh, baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
Oh, hey guys, I'm just trying to get some shelter.
So, sometimes we forget what it's really all about. It's about baby Jesus, Emmanuel, God with us, born among us.
I got one quick question, Pastor Paul. Did it get snow like this in Bethlehem?
Never know.